I am Saima Fatima from Daniel Modern School. I studied in the school from the class LKG and have completed the 10 years in this school. I have completed 10th standard in the school and I am very glad for getting the best score from this school as 92% in my SSLC examination. I am thankful to the Lord for this achievement and I also thanks for all the faculties, management, my teachers and all the supportive members of the school. I thank everyone who supported me, who encouraged me, whenever I have a doubt or anything, my teachers were always there for me to help me out for every doubt or any problem. I am very glad to be the student of this school.
आइंदा कौन सी स्ट्रीम आप जा रही हैं और क्या बनना चाहती हैं?
I would like to take science and I will take PCMB. I would like to go for medical field and I'll take medical field and I want to become a doctor personally. But
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sadia Sultan of Daniel Modern School and I have studied pre-nursery to 10th standard in the same school, and our teachers have supported us much as we were students. They made us encourage so much, and I have achieved 87% in my SSLC examination. I'm thankful to all who have supported me and who have encouraged me even when we have doubts, and they cleared us everything. And I would like to take a commerce and become a chartered accountant.
Thank you.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम नूर सुल्ताना है। मैं डैनियल मॉडर्न स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड से लेकर 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक मैंने यहाँ पर पढ़ा है और मेरे सारे टीचर्स ने मुझे हमेशा गाइड किया है हर चीज़ को लेके, हर डाउट को लेके। मैं 85.28% मेरा 10th स्टैंडर्ड का रिज़ल्ट है और इसलिए मैं बहुत शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ अल्लाह की और मेरे पेरेंट्स की, उनके सपोर्ट की, उनके मेहनत की, और मेरे टीचर्स, फ्रेंड्स जो भी मुझे सपोर्ट करे हर एक स्टेज पर, इसलिए मैं सबकी शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ। और आगे का मेरा फर्दर प्लानिंग साइंस का है। मैं PCMC लेके इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड में जाके सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बना रही हूँ। थैंक यू।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम साले तस्कीन। मैं 10th दानियल मॉडर्न स्कूल में कंप्लीट करी हूँ। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं हूँ 87.36। मैं अल्लाह के भी शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ और मेरे पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स सबकी मेहनत है इसमें, सबकी दुआ है। मैं आगे चलकर साइंस लेना चाहती हूँ, PCMB, इंशाल्लाह एक अच्छी डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ, अच्छी सिटीज़न।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद इरहाम है और मैं फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से लेकर 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक इस स्कूल में पढ़ा हूँ और मैं शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ मेरे सभी टीचरों से और जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया और इनकरेज किया। आई एम सो थैंकफुल फॉर देम एंड आई एम नेक्स्ट प्लानिंग टू टेक PCMC एंड आई एम प्लानिंग टू बिकम अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। थैंक यू।
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Bada Shabana, studying in New Noble English High School. Today in SSLC examination I have scored 93.76%. This is all because of the cooperation of teachers and my parents who have supported me from nursery and till today SSLC. And I thank for the management and the institution and for all the teachers and my parents for supporting me till SSLC. Thank you.
What is your future plan?
I want to be an IAS officer, so I'm going to take science in first PU and second PU and coaching for IAS coaching. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saida Maliha Mohsin, studying in New Noble English High School. So today I scored 91.86% in my SSLC examination, which is only possible through the cooperation and to the cooperation of my teachers and my parents, because without their cooperation I don't think so I could score so much. And so thank you so much for all my teachers and this institution and management for supporting me in my studies and achieving me this much of good marks. Thank you so much.
आगे चलकर क्या बनना चाहते?
मैं एक इंजीनियर बनना चाहती हूँ. So my plans are to take science in PUC.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम सैयद मुइज़ुद्दीन। मैं LKG से 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक ये स्कूल में पढ़ा, न्यू नोबल इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल। मेरा परसेंटेज 91.87। ये सभी पॉसिबल हुआ सो पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स की मेहरबानी से। माय नेम इज़ सैयद मुइज़ुद्दीन। आई एम स्टडीइंग इन न्यू नोबल इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल फ्रॉम LKG to 10th standard. My percentage is 91.87 in SSLC. This is because of the cooperation of the management and my teachers and this institution. I would also thank for the principal of the school. I want to become a software engineer, so I am going to take science in POC.
My name is Trishala. I got 96.64 in this SSLC examination. I thank my principal ma'am, my teachers and my school staff for helping me to get so much percentage.
So, how was your preparation?
My parents cooperated a lot for this. I also thank my principal a lot. Our school is getting 100% result since from 12 years. Today, even our batch got 100% result.
What will be your next step?
Next step, I want to take PCMC and do engineering.
Doing?
My father he's doing home milk business. My mother is housewife.
My name is Viviaisha and I got 90.24 percentage and I am very blessed to get this percentage, and they were my teachers, principal ma'am and every member of the school encouraged us, gave motivation, everything, and study over here is very much good, fabulous, and I am here from first standard. I am like a Javerian family from first standard and I am blessed, and even principal ma'am, she is seeing me from a small child to become a 10th standard girl, and hoping I could get 95 and above, but I don't know where I went wrong, and 90 percentage, and yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank
What
you.
is your next plan?
My next plan is about science, PCMB, and
You want to become doctor?
doctor.
My name is Dania Nazir. I have studied here from the nursery. I got 86 percentage and I was like, I got the highest marks in Hindi. Okay, then I'm going to take science, PCMB. My ambition is to be doctor. Principal ma'am used to be very grateful to us. She's very grateful to us. We are blessed to be in the school. She saw us from the nursery. We grew up here. Like, she used to be day and night. She used to sit with us day and night. Like, yeah, all the teachers are very cooperative here. Yeah. Okay.
What is your aim?
My aim is to be a doctor.
My name is Nujba Sundus and I studied from St. Xavier High School. Our principal ma'am, she was behind us and she was very motivating for us. And I got highest in Hindi. I got 97 percentage in Hindi, and I got 85.96 percentage. And I am happy to get so much. And our teachers are so motivating, and they were bothered about us.
Hi, my name is Umi Kulsum. I got 85 percentage. My aim is to become a doctor. I got really good support from our school. Our ma'am was behind us from the start. She used to take special class even on Sunday. She never let us behind. She was always behind us. She gave us motivation. Even the teachers, they used to explain us even how many times we asked the doubts. They really supported us. I am studying here from nursery, and my father is a driver, and my mother is a housewife. All my family and our school, from the school, they supported really well.
I'm Harini of class 10 and I have scored 89.76 percentage, and I'm proud of it. It's a major part of our school. Our principal ma'am have been back of us. She have taught us many things, and our teachers has played a major part. They have been back of us. They have helped us in lot things. Thank you.
क्या नाम है? Which school you are studying?
I am studying in St. Xavier English High School. I am studying here from nursery. I have scored 90% in my SSLC exams. It's all because of my school. All my teachers, all my principal ma'am, all have worked very hard for us. They used to take classes from 7 a.m. and we would stay here till 5 p.m. All our teachers worked hard. Whenever we go and ask for doubt, they will not hesitate for, and they will clear our doubts. I am very proud to study in St. Xavier High School. We all are St. Xaverian family.
What will be your next step, future studies?
I want to become an electric engineer.
So you are opting for science.
Yes, yes sir.
Fine. Which background your daddy want? Your daddy.
So actually my father is a tailor and my mother will go for work, and I will come to school regularly, sir. I will not take leave so much.
Your good name?
Chuchendran.
गुड आफ्टरनून, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आमिर अहमद। मैं यहाँ ये स्कूल में जाको नर्सरी से पढ़ ले करो 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक का मुझे टीचर्स बहुत सपोर्ट करे। SSLC में मुझे 87% मिल को है। टीचर्स बहुत सपोर्ट करे मुझे, और ये स्कूल भी बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करे, और ऐसा स्कूल सपोर्ट कर ले जाना। ये स्कूल बहुत ज़्यादा
आगे चलकर क्या पढ़ना चाहते?
आई वांट टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट।
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕುಮಾರು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2nd ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಿಂದ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅವರು ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರು ಫುಲ್ ನೈಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ 100% ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 100% ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಗಣೇಶ ಮಾಡೋರು ಐಡಲ್ ವರ್ಕು, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು CBA ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ IPS ನಂದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hello, my name is Syed Shihab. I'm studying in this school since 9th standard. In SSLC exam I got 85%. The school management is really supporting. They used to take special classes the whole day during study holidays. We have high qualified teachers. They have great experience. They teach very well, and even if whenever we go for like clearing doubts, they will clear the doubts. Even if we send them online, the management is really supporting.